There is a needle, earring hooks, jump rings, a masking tape, a rope. This is just the normal rope that we use for hanging our clothes. It goes for around 250 shillings here in Nairobi. That is for 10 meters. Those are thread, scissors, pliers. This is the tiniest pliers, and an adhesive. Of course, we'll also use Ankara fabric. So let's jump to the video. We'll first start by cutting our fabric into the shapes you're seeing there. It's a width of around 1.5 centimeters. I didn't measure it, but if you're not sure of the size to use, that's the right measurement. Just trim the ends of our rope and then hold it with our masking tape just so that it doesn't look messy. You can as well use a lighter to make the ends look neat, though I prefer the masking tape. There are so many designs for rope earrings. I know of around 10, and I'll be doing tutorial on how to make each one of them. So if you are interested in them, kindly subscribe so that you're notified every time a video is uploaded. There is no specific measurement for the earring, the size of rope to use for the earring. It just depends with the size that you want. In this case, I want a medium size. I prefer using this rope because I think it's relatively cheaper than the other types, and it's also very light. And for your earring, definitely we'll go for something that's light. We'll just start wrapping our fabric around the rope. Remember to check on the side of the rope, of the fabric so that the right side is on the outer part. We'll just fold the side a little. I hope you can see the way I folded it. Then just trim using our scissors so that it looks neat. We'll apply adhesive on the folded part just so that we can attach the fabric onto the rope. Remember to use adhesive that can hold on to fabric. Some cannot, like there is paper glue, there's wood glue, so just I prefer using contour, though it's not the best. There are some more. Remember to wrap it tightly onto the rope just so that it looks neat and so that the rope doesn't show as well. I hope you can see the way I'm folding it around. I'm wrapping it around, that is. You fold as you continue, fold as you continue. You can as well do it without folding. Folding is not so necessary, but I'm assuring you that if you don't fold the end, your earring won't look so nice. At the end, we'll just apply the adhesive again. Then we'll just cut the excess part using our scissors. Remember to make it tight, especially at the end, so that it holds on well. Now we are done wrapping our rope. We're going to the next stage, that's styling. In this case, we're just going to make a simple design. I'm just going to join the ends. I'll start by making a knot at the end of our thread. Remember, I'm using a double thread to help me tie it when I'm done. I'm also using the smallest thread. This, I don't know how you refer to it, but you just say a fine bead thread. I think, yeah. It's very tiny, so it won't interfere with fixing of the cap. I'll just add a bead onto it just to accessorize our earring, but it's not compulsory. You can just do it without the bead. I really don't know where you can get this bead. I got this one from a second-hand bag. So I just loved it and I tried to recreate it into an earring. I know of a place where you can get the same design of the bead, the same size, but now the problem is the beads are now wooden. I don't like them on my earrings. I prefer them to accessorize my braids. So if you know where I can get this type of bead, please let me know in the comment section and I'll really appreciate it. Once we are done joining the ends, we'll just use a cap. From now, I know you know that if you've been following my tutorials, you definitely know that there are so many sizes of caps. In this case, I'm just going to use the medium size. There's the bigger size that is used mainly for braids, not really braids, for scarves. If you want to know how to accessorize your scarf using these caps, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do a tutorial on how to accessorize your scarves. Just join a jump ring onto the cap so that we are able to hook the earring onto the jump ring. You can as well use a brass wire instead of using this thread. I'll do it in my next tutorial and I'll show you how to use a brass wire instead of the thread so that you will tell me which one you like most. Just put a hook onto the jump ring. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, please. I'll really appreciate your subscriptions, your comments, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. I really love the fact that you people are supporting me. These are our earrings. I hope you like them as much as I do. They are simple yet classic. Or what do you think? Bye. Let me see you in our next tutorial. I love you so much.